Hi guys, this is Julio, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through Datalix and show you guys how you can easily access and filter for website using Magento and Magento 2. So initially we are at the home page, and if we scroll down below we are going to use the filter of technologies. So this specific filter helps us out to detect specific technology that the websites are using. So for today, we need to reach Magento and Magento 2. So we search for Magento or Magento 2, click search. And as we can see here, we have over 60,000 results of websites that are currently running Magento or Magento 2. As we can see here, for example, we open on one of the websites, Ola Electric, and we can see also other information regarding this website. And in question, the e-com platform that they are using is Magento 2 as we needed to access. So this is about it for today. Hope this video is helpful for you guys and see you into the next video.